Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is your girl Yves once here again. So today I'm going to show you how I get rid of the hair on my underarm using hard wax. So I'm going to be using demo wax from Amazon. I got this from Amazon and I have this here in the flavor tea tree. Now I'm just going to melt it up and allow it to cool down. So as you can see, it's all melted up now and is ready to be used. So to start, I'm just gonna clean my underarm. I'm gonna make sure it is fresh and clean. So I'm gonna get my wax and put it on my underarm. Usually I like to do it 2 times. I don't do it just once. I do the lower part and then I do the upper part later. So I'm gonna apply it in the direction of the hair growth. And I do apply a little bit more lower because I want something to hold on to when it's time to pull it off. Okay, so as you can see, it's all applied now and I'm gonna wait a little bit for it to dry. Then I'm gonna, strip it off. So as you can see, it's all dried up now. So I'm just gonna strip it off in a U motion. I'm gonna strip it off against the direction of the hair growth. So as you can see, it did a great job and it took out all the hair. So as you can see, this is the hair I took out from my underarm. That's a lot of hair. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do the upper part. And voila, as you can see, I'm done. This took about, just a minute. And one thing I must say, this is so painless. It's not painful at all. Now, this is not painful because it doesn't stick to your skin. It sticks to the hair. So it doesn't pull the skin. It pulls only the hair. And it's not going to leave you with, any irritations. It's so fast, it's easy, and it's painless. So I'm just going to go ahead and do the same thing to the other underarm. Okay guys, so we're all done now and that was so fast and it was so painless. So I'm just gonna clean it up with some natural oil. And this is it. So this is how I take out the hair from my underarm using, a hard wax. Ever since I started using the hard wax, I don't think I'm gonna go back to, using soft wax ever again. Now, the pain you feel using the hard wax is nothing compared to, using the soft wax. So that is it, and this type of wax is very good, especially for sensitive areas like the underarm. Okay guys, so this is it. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you've not subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button right now. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends, and don't forget to leave me a thumbs up. Until next time, I'm gonna see you again with another nice and interesting one. Bye bye.